I am loving this unit, okay? And she is that magic lace, baby. So let's go ahead and perform some magic because your girl got a new style to go ahead and try out. And I'm going to show you baddies how you can do it as well. So this is my extra magic lace. As you see, she has some gorgeous highlights. You already know she is coming pre-curled. So she comes with 2 clips, one on each side, as well as at the bottom. Let's go ahead and detach the lace on this one first. First, we have to unhook this one, just like that. And now that it's unhooked, peel that lace off until we get to the next hook. Now we're going to detach the hook in the back and continue peeling. Now that we've arrived at the last hook, all we have to do is unhook that one and your lace is off. Let's go ahead and put on a new one. Let's start by hooking that lace on, attaching the Velcro. Go ahead and attach that one. Now the last hook, just attach that. You see her, right? Giving whole new wig. 100% secure. Glueless. I'm saving money, I'm saving time, because you know how fast it was just to switch up that lace real quick. And baby, it's giving 2 wigs in one because mamas didn't have to buy a whole new wig. All I had to do was get an extra lace and voila, magic. Okay, get into that cart, baddies.